So Samsung hasn't even said a word yet. And the Galaxy S26 Ultra is already leaking everywhere. And this time, it's not some blurry factory photo or half-finished render. This looks like straight-up official promo material. The kind Samsung usually keeps locked away until launch day. With February rolling in, which is expected to be Galaxy S26 launch month, well-known leaker Evan Blass has shared what appears to be the first official promotional image of the S26 Ultra. And yep, it confirms a lot of what we've been hearing. And a few things people were definitely arguing about. First up, the color. Samsung seems to have picked a new signature shade for the Ultra this year, and it's called Cobalt Violet. It's bold, it's flashy, and it definitely wants attention. This isn't one of those looks black unless light hits it just right colors. It's very much a statement finish, and earlier leaks were clearly onto something. Flip the phone around and the biggest visual change jumps out immediately. The camera bump is back, and it's bigger. The sensors themselves haven't changed position, but Samsung has now grouped the 3 main camera rings inside a single camera island. What's interesting is that this camera module looks like it's built in 2 layers. The idea seems to be keeping the design sleek while also making the bump more durable, so it doesn't feel like an afterthought stuck onto the back. The corners are another subtle but important tweak. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the S26 Ultra looks a bit more rounded. Not enough to lose that Ultra identity, but enough that it should feel better in the hand during long use. Buttons are exactly where you'd expect them to be. Volume rocker, side key, no surprises there. And yes, the S Pen is still here. The leaked image shows it sitting right next to the phone, confirming Samsung hasn't killed it off. At least not yet. That said, there's still a lot of debate about how long the S Pen sticks around in future Ultra models. But for 2026, Ultra users are safe. On top of that, official-looking renders of the Galaxy S26 Ultra have also surfaced online, showing multiple color options, including cobalt violet and black. At first glance, it looks very similar to the S25 Ultra, but the refinements start to add up the longer you look. The rear camera layout now uses a vertical pill-shaped base for the main 3 sensors, while the other 2 camera rings sit off to the side, similar to what we've seen on Samsung's recent foldables. The dimensions tell a story, too. The S26 Ultra is slightly taller and wider than last year, but it's also thinner, coming in at just 7.9 millimeters compared to the S25 Ultra's 8.2. Weight has dropped as well, down to 214 grams. It doesn't sound like much on paper, but these are the kinds of changes you actually feel when you're using a phone every day. If all of this lines up, Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 series on February 25th in San Francisco, with sales likely starting around March 11th. And judging by how much is already leaking, this is just the beginning. If this is Samsung's idea of refinement, then the S26 Ultra might quietly end up being one of the biggest upgrades Ultra users have been asking for.